Today we're talking string lights, our Ericson LED linear tube string light. This is a patented low profile design that's unique in the industry, one of a kind. These lights are available typically in 50 or 100 foot lengths. We can modify the lengths and we can customize the spacing. We can also provide different colors or marking on the cables. The LED linear tube string lights can be daisy chained. This is because of the low power consumption of the LED light engines. These are low power, low heat designs, and they'll stay out of your work area because if you have a low ceiling, that you won't bang into them, and they will be less likely to be damaged.